My people, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this sardine bread at home. So watch to the end and also help me to share this video, okay? So I started by adding 2 cups of flour into my mixer. Remember, you can also use your hand to mix your dough, okay? Next, I added yeast. I soaked this yeast with lukewarm water for 5 minutes. And then I transfer it into my mixer and then I mix it up nicely. Once I'm done mixing it up like this, next I'm going to be adding butter on it. If you are the type that love to eat bread, honestly, this bread will take you to cloud 9. Once I'm done mixing it up like this, I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of butter into it, and then I'm going to mix it up again nicely. Now tell me where you're watching this video from so that on my next video, I'm going to send you a hug. Today's special hug goes to Jetty, watching me from Sweden. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate. Once I'm done mixing it up, guys, this is how it looks. You can also use your hand to achieve this texture, okay? Next, I'm going to transfer it into my pan and then I'm going to cover it to rise for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay guys, if this video you find it helpful, please help me to share this video, okay, so that it get to more people. Next, I'm just going to use my plastic foil to cover it and allow it to sit for about 30 to 35 minutes before I begin another process. After 35 minutes, guys, this is how it looks. I'm just going to give it a punch and then next I'm going to spray a dry flour in the flat surface, and then I'm going to go in with the dough and then I'm going to knead it for about 3 minutes. After kneading it for 3 minutes, I'm going to cut the dough into 3 sizes. Just the way I'll be able to work with one part of it. Next, I'm going to roll out one of the dough and then I'm going to use my rolling stick to flatten it. Next, I'm going to be making use of mackerel fish instead of sardine. So if you have sardine, it's still going to come out nice, but I have mackerel fish at home. Then I mash the mackerel fish with using my spoon and then I spray it on top of the dough like this. And then next, I'm going to use the dough to cover the fish very well, just the way I'm not going to see it. So you need to stick it very well because you don't want it to be shooting out. And then next, I am going to place it into my baking tray. Lastly, I'm going to use the leftover fish to just give it a design on top of it. So I'm just stick it like this on top of the dough, and then I'm going to use my kitchen towel to cover the dough, allow it to sit for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is how it looks. Lastly, I'm going to apply egg whites on top of it and then I bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes. So guys, after 20 minutes, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. Now tell me, after watching this video to this point, does this right here look like something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.